Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Today we embark on a quest to unlock the boundless potential that lies within you and to become the best version of yourself. It's time to harness the power of motivation, inspiration, and self-belief as we navigate the path towards personal growth and fulfillment. Are you ready to embark on this empowering journey? Let's begin. Embrace self-awareness. The first step towards becoming your best self is to cultivate self-awareness. Take the time to reflect on your values, strengths, and areas for growth. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate the qualities that make you who you are. By understanding yourself as a deep level, you can identify the areas of your life that require attention and set the stage for meaningful change. Set inspiring goals. Set inspiring goals that align you with your values and aspirations. Define what success means to you and create a vision for your future self. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and commit to taking action consistently towards their achievements. Remember, every step forward brings you closer to the person you aspire to be. Cultivate a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset that empowers you to overcome obstacles and embrace opportunities. Practice gratitude, optimism, and resilience in your daily life. Replace self-limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts and affirmations. Remember, your mindset determines your reality. Choose to focus on the positive and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Take courageous action. Have the courage to step outside of your comfort zone and pursue your dreams with passion and determination. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Take inspired action towards your goals, even if the face of fear or uncertainty. Remember, it's okay to fail along the way. Failure is simply a stepping stone on the path to success. Practice self-compassion. Practice self-compassion as you navigate the ups and downs of life. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. Celebrate your success, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks with grace and humility. Remember, you are worthy of love and acceptance just as you are. Cultivate supportive relationships. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Cultivate meaningful connections with friends, family, and mentors who encourage your personal growth and celebrate your success. Seek out opportunities to collaborate and learn from others, and be open to receiving feedback and guidance. Remember, we are stronger together than we are alone. As we conclude our journey, remember that becoming your best self is a lifelong process. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind, and trust in your ability to grow and evolve. You have within you the power to create the life you desire and to become the person you were always meant to be. So go forth and with courage, confidence, and determination, and let your light shine bright for all the world to see.